think it is one of the really true motion picture stars, Joan Crawford.
That's absolutely right.
Do you find it sort of difficult maintaining the star exterior?
Young lady, I think you've got what it takes to make an actress.
I danced all the way while I was serving tables. Never stopped.
Was there one particular moment in your career where you suddenly said to yourself, golly, I'm a star?
There are many times when I say, golly, I was just lousy in that. I'll never be a star until I can do better. I use my body, my face, and my walk, my mannerisms, to project what the character is.
Sometimes I feel kind of old. It's because I feel sort of, well, responsible, I guess. Have you ever been hungry, Julie? Well, I have. Tell me it's as strong as love. Well, I tell you it's strong.
You want to bring the audience in with you, so close to you. You want to put them in your lap, in the palm of your hand. And it's very exciting when you go to the theater and find that you've done it in a couple of scenes.